Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to show you that how to see your deleted posts or reels on Instagram. You have deleted one of your posts or reels and you want to know that what was the exact post or reel. So I'm just going to tell you the exact way how to check it. So just make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel because it helps me much more. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile section. Once you come to your profile section, just simply tap on the three lines which you can see on the top right and click on your activity. So that's where you can easily reach to recently deleted option on Instagram. So if you want to check your deleted post on Instagram, just simply tap on recently deleted option. So that's where you can see your deleted posts or reels on Instagram. So just remember, you can check them within the 30 days. After the 30 days you'll not able to check them. So if you want to delete it from there, just simply tap on it, and you'll see the three lines on the top right. Just simply tap on the three lines, and here you can see the option of delete. If you want to delete it, just delete it, and if you want to restore that particular post or reel, just simply tap on restore. So that's how you can easily see deleted posts or reels on Instagram. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question, just leave me in the comment section below and I'll be catching you on the next video. Thanks guys, and I will recommend you to check the latest video on the end screen.